that's not a good way to.
Sure.
Yes, it's one over whatever you have.
It could be 2/3, 4, it could just be 2.
I guess. How was your vision day? Whoa. I've done nothing. How's this? That's me every single time. That's my calculus.
1 over 5 halves.
Yeah, I
That's
already got
2/3.
But unfortunately, I don't know that. Yeah, because then it would just be L and then 1. No, but that's the answer. You can't
So
plug
you
it.
take the
First step twice.
so you plug in the T for the X, right? And then the second derivative. Since it's 4 up, it's like X. T minus 1.
That L.
And then
T minus 1. Oh wait, I already did that.
it's always just going to be 1 over 1.
No, I get that, but like if you kind of make this 1 over X times.
Just get rid of that element. I remember checking how is it was sorry, I thought it was
No, not that fast.
So,
Yeah, 1 second.
this correct.
I was just.
Well, 2 divided by 0 is not 0. 0 divided by 2 would be 0.
So just be under. Oh yeah, you're right. So it's just undefined.
Okay, you made, hold on,
I might have made a mistake.
you did that like a negative pi over 4.
What is that? I don't know what negative pi is. The tangent.
Okay, well, negative pi over 4 is right here. Cosine is square root of 2 over 2, because it's in the middle of this quadrant. And sine is also square root of 2 over 2, but it's going down, so it's negative. So sine divided by cosine would be negative 1.
Negative 1.
But then you square it, it becomes positive.
Positive 1.
Yeah, so if you make that a positive 1, you're going to think that the answer is 1, but you forgot something on this. And this is what I was giving you a hint on. I made the same mistake last period, even though I say it every time. When you're taking the derivative of an integral and the bottom's a constant, you get to just plug this in like you did.
Oh, then you have to put times the channel.
Yeah, if you don't think about it every time, then...
So then where would I put the times? Where would secant go?
Well, so if you multiply this fraction by secant squared, it's just going to put it in.
Put it in the numerator.
Yay! What is that?
You just look easy to draw.
That's actually kind of good.
In what way?
You're saying I'm just.
Right.
You're just saying I'm easily recognizable,
Yeah,
or
like, very
like blending.
I'm doing it right now.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, that's really good. But she really easy to draw.
Okay. I appreciate that you're saying.
She was helping with my problem.
So
She told you she was drawing.
I know, I thought she was like partially kidding.
first you plug in.
Because you always lie to me all the time here.
Oh, you give me a star.
Does that mean? I
No, that's
good.
sketchy.
Yeah, alright.
That's right. So let's.
So it's
Well, yeah, but usually this is the,
that's a constant.
no, it would be you can just plug that in. So just turn it to that. Awesome, thank you so much.
Where's the cow?
She was so.
The cow house? Yeah. Like the cow house? Like, no, like calculus. Like, oh, the cow house. Oh, the cow house. The cow house.
After that, you plug in.
Except for Missy.
Whoa!
Grady's my Cal and
Yeah.
Did you know my dog's name is Grady?
Tangent, then that's
Did you know that?
I never did. Did you name him after me?
Yes. My
feel like
dog's names are
everybody,
Brady.
like-
And Brady is a grumpy old man.
Wait, I'll try to.
And Cooper is a overly hyper little boy. What? Cooper went in the snow for the first time this weekend and he loved it.
Nothing.
Except him and Brady, they went on the pond by my house when it was frozen over, which is very dangerous. So we had to shuttle on the side.
Let's go.
Yes.
So yeah, I just did. So once she helped me with that derivative, I just turned that 1 minus 3 5 over 2 minus 1 over 2 just like 1. It was 1
Mr. Townsend, did you see next Monday it's going to be 8 degrees outside?
8 degrees.
Is the,
No, I'm pretty impressed with
as of
myself.
yesterday.
80?
8.
Oh.
I'll be inside anyway, so staying warm.
I just had to warn you before the Arctic blast.
Are you just like a summer person? Like do you like?
No, I don't
do you
like
frolic
summer
in the
either.
fields during summer?
I bet you're a fall person.
He gives like spring vibes, like with
I like fall.
I love
Do you
But-
ever go on walks?
I walk from my house to my car and from my car to the.
like nature walks, like you know, just like.
I did a lot as a kid. I grew up in Westport, so there was a lot of like
Ah.
forest and stuff. But
Do you have any pets?
I do. One dog. I don't know. He's a pound puppy. He's mixed, mostly pit bull. Pit bull terrier probably. I don't know.
You should show us some pictures tonight.
I offered to show you all the first day of school. You didn't care.
What?
So I just
It's
did.
because I sat all the way back there. I couldn't hear anything you said.
You should have said something.
No, because then I show myself off as being inferior. I'm not inferior.
Okay, but you're doing the same thing right now.
We're gonna move on.
You're telling everybody you couldn't hear. How's that any different than telling people you couldn't hear on the first
Well, I'm not
day?
telling everybody. I'm just telling you.
Well, everybody can hear you. No, they could. They're just choosing not to.
Exactly. Just let me know if I can do it. You done it. Yeah.
I'm a little behind.
I heard you put 99 rolls in college opportunities. Is it one? No, you have to go.
Just a few more months. Hey, it's this Friday, right? You scheduled it? Are you going?
Just plug it in.
I'll do that.
Whoa, so we don't have to drive the whole.
Okay, one last tip I want to give you guys that's going to show up eventually. I'm going to come around and start helping out individually. Y'all seem like you're doing okay overall. Remember that integration also means area under a curve. So if you don't know what the function is to do the antiderivative, it could be that you need to just actually compute the area with like geometry shapes or whatever. The area under the curve is the same thing as integrating. So there's maybe just 1 or 2 on this worksheet, but when you get to the second circuit, where you're just trying to do the first fundamental theorem of calculus, some of those questions have 2 asterisks by them. If you read the directions, it says use geometry, so it's trying to give you a hint. Just find the area like you would have in geometry, and the area between the curve and the x-axis is equal to the integral that they're asking you for. So I know that you guys need that tip for sure, but otherwise I will be coming around and offering to help with whatever specifics you need help with. And I will give you back your homeworks as well.
Is that what it is? I don't know. It's freaking.
Inch 0. Bring down the T, and then you have F
Yeah,
T,
they're really
and C equals 1, so I would minus 0.
Yeah, I'm 99% sure. We just did it earlier in the day.
You know what? I'm gonna get on there.
I couldn't find your last one.
I left my so I don't want to turn it into
Your grade is like way.
Yeah, just turn it all back in later.
Oh yeah.
Y'all stuck on anything on here?
Or the chainsaw in the grade. Okay, so she can square it.
Good catch. Because that's the thing I forgot to do. Even though I say it every time for y'all, I forgot to do it when I did it second period today. So.
Is there supposed to be a fire drill today?
There was, but well, they don't tell us the exact time. It was sometime this morning. They never do it during this period because some people are at lunch, and legally y'all are allowed 20 minutes of lunch. And so if they do a fire drill, you may not get your 20 minutes. And then we got another notification that there'll be a fire drill Thursday afternoon. So I'm guessing that they're rescheduling this one. But I don't know that to be the case, it's just my guess. They did not communicate with us.
I don't know. Do you know what secret? I swear it's one. I swear it's one. I know. I think it's two. What's secant squared of negative one? Yeah. When you like secant squared is negative one.
What about negative 2?
And there's a one.
Wait, what's secant squared of negative one?
It is?
Wait, never mind.
Did you get this?
I didn't even know.
Oh, wait. Wait, you're so right.
Everybody's saying
It's not really.
It's gonna be multiple.
Okay, thank you.
Is the answer 2?
Yeah. He is right. Look at his paper.
Negative 2 squared. Wait, the square root of negative 2 squared.
The square root of negative 2 is all that.
No.
The-
Square. Negative.
Why not use?
Wait, where do we get the?
I feel like a colorblind person trying to solve the Rubik's Cube right
Why am I cooking, bro? All of this. Listen, I just did the exact same thing you did up here, and then I got negative 2, and negative 2 is still up.
No, I got it wrong. How did you do it?
Well, the secant squared, that's so it's 2 over 3, so it's 2. Oh, wait, no, I didn't.
What?
Now I gotta find it. Because what's totally gonna mess with
Have you done? Yes. Well, I heard the answers too. I got 4.
Wait, hold up.
You should really take a little glance at his face.
Have you guys loaded?
Well, here, I actually get it though.
Wait, really?
How'd
If
you
you
load?
chain roll, so it's times secant squared of negative 4.
Oh wait, no, the number 2,
Because the t there would be negative. Is that not 2? It is 2. So then it's 2 times.
Oh, Jerry, I heard.
You have to use the remote system?
It's H prime time at 1.
It's, oh, because it's negative.
It's not
Negative 1
on to
squared is 1,
something.
so 1 plus 1 is 2, and then 2, that's 2. So 2 times 2 is 4.
Oh, because 2 over 2 is 2 over 2 is 1, not 2.
Yeah.
So I literally did it right. I'm just like,
I can't.
Oh, it's so easy, man. I just
I got it.
Okay, so that's turns.
I mean, I did H5, now I'm just sitting at H5.
Did you get 9?
8 through 11. 9 through 11.
Literally.
So now we have to derive this.
Okay, to derive it. Okay, thank you.
We have 2 left.
I think this would be 0.
Yeah, we
no
Yes, they are.
slope, but there's
All you have to do is tell it. I mean, you really taught us exactly how to do this.
and 0 is an option, and it says now evaluate H3. So
What? Is this supposed to be? Oh, okay, I see what it says.
oh, maybe it's 1. No.
Sorry, I'll give you
It could be because if you're just
No, it's not.
I got it.
1 0 is not.
Got 2. Right. I don't know how to
so you think it's 0. H high, H5.
Where did your 1 plus go?
Then we do the
Like, here you have 2 over 1 plus
Have you gotten 10 person?
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay. No, they say Riley. They say we're like celebrating.
You should have gotten 1.
We actually asked them when we did when we were little. Now you do 7 percentile or whatever. You guys. I don't know the 12th grade level. Yeah, you did.
Oh, and yeah, you're right.
See, I was doing this Friday. I put my initials, but I'm like that.
The answer would be 0 because
I
there's
do 1 over tangent.
or this is the area.
So I just square that.
Oh, wait, we're not gonna do that.
Wait, did you get next one?
Into H. So where's H?
That's what he said. But he would have just gotten chain.
So you plug in 1 for T. So T becomes 1. What happens when you integrate from 1 to 1? Right. And if you're thinking about areas, then that makes sense. If you start at 1 and end at 1, it doesn't open up at all.
You can just erase it.
Technically, that's a property you're supposed to know, but if you want yourself to think about it as areas, then it's not. Doesn't open up.
We're in the 12th grade level, and then. And I guess that's normally when I like.
There, I can see it. It's right in front of me.
First, you got something I can help with. So H of 1 means you're plugging in 1 into H. So everywhere there's a T, you replace them with 1. So what happens when you're trying to integrate from 1 to 1? Now, if you're integrating from 1 to 1, it has to go to something. Think about integration as area. If you started x equals 1 and you ended x equals 1, how much area is that? Right, so it's not opening up at all, right? So the answer to that question is 0. Okay, so you're going to have to take the derivative of this. It's not there anymore. And then plug in 3 into whatever you
Yeah,
get.
that's what you said.
You'll have something wrong up here.
Plug the X down.
Which one?
That would make it.
Okay, you want the derivative of an integral and the bottom two constant. So you get the plug the top in over here. So that's going to be 2
So
over
10
1
still would
plus
be
tangent squared.
Okay.
For 11.
I don't, yeah, you
Now, the thing that I forgot to say here is that even though I say it every time, it's easy to forget. When you're doing the second fundamental theorem, it's times the derivative of the upper limit. You gotta do times c squared. You don't need to do that every time, but it's usually one. Okay, so technically this is
Oh my
all of it. The derivative of that mess becomes that. Now you
think I
wanna
see
know what
two.
he is negative pi over 4.
No.
No, I just
Pi over
watched.
here,
Which is kind of
and
area
circle a
right
couple
under
times,
the
and
Is
that
it
just
just
comes
Oh,
out.
it's that. I just thought it was.
Plug in one to
Since
have this.
H prime is 17. I don't have the 3 right here, which gave me negative 2, which is the remaining answer.
Yeah, but I don't. I think we're supposed to find the area.
Alright, if you think that the area of that
It is. Look, negative 2 times 2 divided by 2.
You wanna go for that? That's all you, man. I'm not very good.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, we don't. That's good.
For real?
Every time.
You finished? Wait, how did you
Right now we're finding area in
11. H. Double
So you realize that's right?
No, I got the right answer to the area. Don't blame it. I did it.
Good job.
I got it too.
Yeah, you said.
Well, I don't know if you.
No, if we plug in T for T, it does it. What?
But I think you should probably do it.
But it'll be just T.
Started x equals 1, you have 1.
So how'd you one?
Yeah.
So technically,
I know you haven't done it.
Oh wait, I get it.
I think I can come
You gonna mess with that?
But if that's you're saying the slope is. Would it just be?
It's like it's like, or it's like, are you gonna eat? It's like, okay, we should ask Mr. Kelly.
Why is it?
that's not 1. Right here.
The answer.
Wait, are you guys on 11? It'd be negative 1.
Yeah, no, the answer is
But we
negative.
don't know how to.
Integrating 1 to 11, why does that have to be here?
Had to get negative.
Okay, I don't know how that's by that.
Wait,
All I know is that
Okay,
that's.
negative 5 halves.
I remember how we had the relationships and
What?
It's just,
I was like, you need to like grab your number.
which would be the same as.
That becomes trouble with integration, especially at first. Think about it as
11 is a hard
Since it's the same.
it's the same with the 2 cases.
Oh my god, I literally thought. I can't
Get negative 1.
these two are the same.
I would think
No, they are. I don't know.
Usually,
I like barely.
we're a little confused on 11 and how to get the second derivative.
so what do you think of the first one?
You don't know how to do it.
Wait, Mr. Taylor, did you speak a little louder?
Yeah, we're trying to hear it back.
Come
Come on, man.
All I know is the last.
What do you think the first derivative is? Take the derivative of h at the top.
Okay, I'm not really sure actually.
You're taking the derivative of an integral and the bottom is a constant.
It's just f of t.
Okay, good. So we're done with first derivative is f of t. And now we're gonna take the derivative again to get the second derivative. What's the derivative of f of t? F prime. Okay. And then now you wanna know what 1. So what's f prime of 1? How do you
But like
find
either
it?
way. Sign over but it's
Yeah.
divided by 2. So that'd be what?
Not 0.
Divided by 2.
Because it's not asking you f of 1, it's asking you f prime of 1.
So it's the slope.
Square root of negative 2
The
is
slope, very good. So what's the slope at x equals 1?
which is equal to
Negative.
Negative 1, that's the
2
final
over
answer.
1.
You right over run right here.
See, he was making sense already.
Got an answer?
Alright, it's H negative 2. I think it's negative 2. Did you get it?
Like, that's what he said here. You can't just, so that's, it's the same.
Alright, now we just need to get back so I can.
negative 2. You want reserve, you want to integrate from 1 to negative 2.
That's like
You have to do a whole other 2-page.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not
You're integrating from 1 to
I know what I'm doing after school today.
You have like
I was actually really using it already.
I was gonna say the starting hours. I gotta get at least 2 hours on TikTok. I'm low today.
You only have like 3 days left.
Well, it's gotta get done. Like I
They
gotta.
add 270 days.
Oh, I really hope.
I thought
Like,
they did.
if I like don't get the week clips, like I'm never gonna be educated in life.
You need your AI iSpice teaching you how to.
Yes, no, that one's a good one. That one's a good one. I get.
No, I knew this.
Yeah. We were like, no touch. She's like, we did all the
H of negative 2.
Technical length isn't property.
11 is negative 1.
Wait, no, 12.
All I know is he wrote negative 1 minus
I just think of
It's not the same.
Like, hey guys.
I'm getting
I think you could your father not here. Hey, no. Wait.
Yeah, you find the area under the X from.
the same value.
Yeah.
That makes sense.
So you do 2 plus 1 plus. Wait, no. Negative 2 plus.
One, two, no, wait.
Negative 2 plus negative 1/2
And then
is
you turn around and put 1
Wait,
to it,
no,
and then you get 35, it's gonna go to 0.
Wait.
It's just the area. I swear.
They're just saying words out here. I remember what problem they're talking about.
Yes.
Wait, but at negative 2, it doesn't.
All I know is that
Well, negative 2 plus negative.
I probably got it wrong.
But it's not saying on a range.
She's been in that
There is a
back.
range. The range is negative 2.
But it's
Right?
We have the first derivative.
Yeah, the range is from negative 2. And it's the area under curve, so you just find the area.
Okay. Some of us actually like to learn about it.
Wait, I don't know what to do. You have
Okay,
to
down
keep
to
it.
Or you can just do two, or you can just do a
All right, y'all still have close to 30 minutes, so quite a bit of time to still get some help.
You have 2 and 1.
Can you do remember why? Or actually,
Yes.
Wait,
I got it. No, she said that was it's negative 2 minus 1.
Yeah. The more you know. I don't know why nobody trusts me. Probably because I didn't get any of the other questions right.
Okay, so that's just.
wait, I'm a liar? I'm not a liar.
Y'all were all like Gabby getting racist. I was like,
No, Gabby was like, Gabby's getting racist. I didn't say a single word.
Oh, yeah,
you
that's funny.
hated it, and she was like,
Okay.
Miley was like, Brady, you're so nice, or whatever, you know. I had no clue. Y'all are evil
It
people.
was not me.
Did you get 2 for your answer to the first one?
No, I haven't done it yet.
Why does this one make me Why does it look like that? I know it's something weird, but it's just so cramped. He's still just like,
Who is he?
I don't know. We don't know.
Oh, the person in the back.
Yeah, I guess we don't know.
Who's in the bathroom?
He's definitely walking around.
The guy is.
It's tangent 1. Tangent's a sine over cosine. No, sine over
Oh wait, no, it's negative 3 divided.
sine over, yeah, it's a sine over 0. 0 divided over 1.
Answer. Wait, what number is this?
That's the circle. Oh,
Yeah.
it's the same time.
I know that's why I'm afraid I'm wrong because it seems almost too
Well, it says please sketch in shape when you get the Oh, on the star exercise.
But no, I'm just joking.
I got 2.
Oh, this is.
I got
Oh, wait,
Oh, I But yeah, this is suspicious.
like, there's no way it's 2.
There you go. Grab it.
Oh.
Wait, I think they understood.
What is, wait,
Yeah.
right?
Austin understood. Austin, did you do 12?
Yeah.
Can I see your paper?
Yeah.
You can see my paper.
I see it. Thank you, Mr. Denver.
You're welcome.
Did you get 9 for one?
We can learn some interesting info. So. You can't learn anything about number 12. You learn some interesting info. Who's your favorite Megan?
Do you need help?
I'm number 12.
No, and then add derivatives and then do the
Is that
top
right?
minus the bottom.
Well, we just thought it's a negative 2.
Okay.
Just find out the context.
Has anyone done 2? Did you get 2 like no? Because I haven't done it. Oh.
On the second one, I did it.
Okay, so you
I just want to do
from 1 to negative 2. It's not the same thing as negative 2 to 1.
on page 2.
Wait, that's 2.
But
Right?
That's 2. No, I got it.
Oh,
So it is.
what did you
down.
do?
Because I did, you do the antiderivative as the x squared. Rather than
I was wondering why we were getting so detailed.
You're thinking of values. You're not doing the derivative of this, but just making this go away. You need to think of integration as an area under the line. You can actually find the area using one
There's
so a rectangle plus a triangle.
It's fine, as long as I got the person right.
It is not. Because the way you wrote it, I could bring the power down, lower the power by 1, which would create a cosine that's not there, and I'd have to take the derivative of the inside, which would be a negative. Okay, that part actually looks okay. This you need to recognize as the first Pythagorean identity. You can change all of that to something really simple. It's on your desk. No, it's one of your cards on your desk.
I'm not doing
Ross, how'd you do?
It's just 3 sines. Because when you take like this number that's out it's just
Well, hey, we know this is not gonna be
Is it just 3 sines?
Would it be negative?
3 sines. Yeah, it's just 3 sines.
it would only be negative if it was.
You're taking the derivative of an integral and the bottom of the constant.
I thought it was 3.
Oh, it's just
Derivative of f of 3. And you want to know at what value it's going to. Okay, so what is f of 3?
Can't wait to go.
You got to be able to do that derivative first.
You go to bowling and then you go to.
Wait, so this intercept is right, because I know it goes to 1, right? But what about this negative?
Wait, did you get negative 9?
Change all of this to 1.
Just 1, oh, automatically.
Yeah, and then the antiderivative of 1 is going to be
I got negative
So just about it.
the antiderivative is really easy, but you have to recognize that in the top one's very common. You don't have to know the
No,
bottom.
he's way.
I don't think I'll be bowling.
But there is a negative. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, there's right above that. Oh, I thought you were.
Oh, sorry.
Oh.
What did you get for now?
Wait, 6. Wait, let me look.
Now I'll take the derivative Well, for me, what I would do on this one, the absolute value, you never have to worry about that for our exam, but do you know what that graph looks like? Okay, so I would just sketch the V, and then just do the area under the curve of -44. It's gonna be two triangles. So,
Is this right?
any of these that has a double star, you pretty much have to think of the graph. Because you're not taking the derivative. You never should take the derivative of that, so no, you should not do that.
Should be,
You gotta think about what can you take the derivative of to get signs. And then evaluate it 0 to 5. So y intuitive is 0 to 5.
oh, because I was thinking of it as like an X.
What? That's crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I can't wait to eat lunch with
I know, I'm really excited that you're coming today.
Well, awesome. Was the first one wrong?
Yeah.
Guys, I hope it's Taco Day today in the cafeteria.
Me too. For you. Okay.
100%.
That's the
Careful, you're not going from negative to 1.
Earth is
This one, what is, what are you asking? That's sick.
Yeah. Let me know when you get that.
I'm so confused.
Or if you happen to know where the anti-derivative. Wait.
That's not.
Yeah, maybe
What is
anti-derivative or
that?
secant squared.
Two.
My head. Really?
Where's number two? Number two is,
Thank you.
what is it? Number three is -6.
Guys, what do I get for this?
The cosine of pi.
Alright,
I also got -3.
Well, you could, the other way I did it was me hours free data. Yeah.
Sorry, I thought. It's number 7, like, the answer on number 7.
I'm not there.
I got on 6 steps. I mean, on 26. I thought you had 1. Number 6 is easy.
Dude, that means that you're old.
Wait,
No, you just not even.
get negative.
I get it.
Okay, so let's do that. So you got 2 over 1 plus 2 squared z. Now, there's really one more part to the second fundamental theorem of calculus, but you don't often have to do
Ln of 1 is tangent.
Negative derivative. Ln of 1 is 0.
You got -3, you said?
Right.
And that's actually,
I got
even though I got yellow
Yeah.
notes when I work questions on the board, that's what I forgot.
Or what percent?
So now you've done derivatives, where you've done a derivative of this, and all of this, a little bit,
Or well, like-
now you just move like a -5.
The answer to 6 was 1. So that 1 is 6.
That's.
I'm lost.
Wait, so
On the like front page.
Oh.
The
So
word.
it's number 7 also.
I don't know what your number says. I don't know your hands.
Oh, like, it's a hard
Or does it go to U?
It goes to u, in terms of u. Because the antiderivative of 1 is
Oh,
Okay, I got 10%.
Do you know what the antiderivative of sine squared is?
Yeah, we could just do that all actually, so that does antiderivative of y equals u. So you just get 3 minus negative 7. What's the last harder?
You're plugging in negative 2 for p. You're trying to integrate from 1 to negative 2.
Yeah.
Now you can't use this by hand. Yeah, another way to think of integration is area under a curve. From negative 2 to 1, this is just a rectangle and a triangle. So you add those areas together. Now you have to be careful. You're not going from negative 2 to 1. You're going from 1 to negative 2. So you have to make your but yes, you just have to do manual areas with you. Alright, the only way to do it.
For number 8. Wait, would you even have? Is this so there's
Y minus negative 1.
not one
Cosine, negative cosine.
I thought it was 1 minus 2.
Wait, so is cosine of pi is negative 1.
Negative cosine of pi is 2.
So cosine of pi is negative 2.
Is it not negative cosine?
No, it'd be 1 minus 1.
Wait, why is cosine not negative?
Right, but
Yeah.
negative is cosine.
Cosine of 0 is just 1.
Where you at?
The cosine
I thought it was negative cosine of just W.
Cosine of pi is good. Cosine of pi is good.
I don't know. There's a lot of cases.
So it's 1. No, it is 2.
Oh wait, we got the same.
I don't know. It's just what everyone around me got.
Yeah.
Why did I think you were saying handy? It's not even a word to the power of.
Yeah, we were.
Nice. How many are there? I can't figure out.
But we don't
Does it mean something Pharisee?
Ellen is. So then it would be Ellen.
So we think, so minus 0.
Minus, it's minus 1.
So what's the root of 10?
Because
It would just be 0.
Yeah.
this one would be.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was thinking.
Wait, no, negative.
Is it not just
Oh, yeah, because those are
Oh wait,
It's absolute value. Just take the, it's gonna be two triangles.
And that's zero.
Just take the
Wait.
area of those two triangles.
The sine squared plus b cosine squared u. No, equal. So it's just x. Right? Sine squared u plus cosine squared u. The integral of 1.
I don't think that.
So we just
I don't know.
You tell me what it is.
It's 4 times 4 divided by 2 times 2.
So 16. 16 is
So just 16. Would it be negative 4?
it's just gonna go up the whole.
Yeah, because every absolute value is still unless it's like 2
But then there's like some days where it's like,
So this one
I say 5 or 6.
so we go up 6 over 6.
I think you would go for mine or you're down one.
Just negative.
No, it's right on
The negative sine of the
Mia, what'd you go for negative?
So sine pi,
have no
cosine pi.
I never know places where you sign my teeth, like they're all like zero.
So it would be minus.
What'd you get for 8?
Negative
It
1.
wouldn't be 0. I thought it was 0.
Negative 1.
Are all like out of line.
So
And
it's
that's
just
2.
the 1 minus negative 1.
Oh, that's the one that we got wrong.
Wait.
So I did do that right. Chill.
Like if this is how
It's
it's
still my calculator.
they're all like out. Or you have the bottom.
Wait, 12, wait, it's
Yeah,
instant.
the 13. Top two still out.
And squared and sine derivative is
And then my
It's 1300. So you have 2 triangles.
actually
Because it's moved over to 1.
since we're just giving the range between the two,
Like the triangle is
isn't it zero?
so like your thing was
the top ones, they really curve out.
starting at 1, but you're going, your range is from 0 to 6.
Isn't it?
So you only take
Now you
that.
take both.
Yeah.
But like, you don't worry about all this, you only worry about this whole triangle.
This is the one we gotta calculate.
So just be 5, 5.
It's like I can't.
It's absolute value, so. Okay, wait, wait.
So do we just draw the
But mine,
Why didn't you tell me to draw them?
that one's
It's
good.
fine, I like it. It's fine.
And I had that same issue. That like short head. But it's not back there. And that one.
Let's see if we do the trouble.
The antiderivative of one.
So it would be shade Hold on.
Oh, it might be 16.
It's like they never.
The answer to 10.
It's like, you know how like they weren't always there, and then like.
Yes.
Every year, and they're like the last one. They didn't lose it to us. It's like they never
Dream.
unfolded themselves. So I have like almost
You know how to draw.
I need to know how to draw a graph.
purposefully making.
I got 24 and then divided it trouble to the sum.
X minus 1 means it goes to the right.
So then 30. Because whenever you trouble for the sum,
I feel like I
it's still you can trouble whatever you do. Whatever you do. I did height times.
Okay, just a heads up, you might want to finish up the question you're on and find a stopping place. We've got about 5 minutes till our lunch break.
6 times.
I do need you to finish practicing this by Thursday. I will pick them up for points on Thursday. If you think you're going to need extra help, please email Richard Campbell and have him put you in my advisory tomorrow so I can help you. Or Thursday even.
no wait, no, it's asking where the
But I won't see you again before then, so if you need extra help, that's all I can do.
They're 24.
Well, I mean, the way that we learned it a while ago was it was height half the numerator times base 1 plus base 2.
Pretty caught up.
Pretty right here and it's
It's asking what percentage at 5, for example. Yeah, okay.